Here are some examples of projects that MHS students have done. An example of a classroom project would be from the environmental science class. After learning about environmental sciences and studying their local environment, students in this class participated in a variety of projects. Some chose to attend workdays at the Conservancy where they helped to remove invasive plants like buckthorn, honeysuckle, and sumac. Others chose to help with the Growing for Sustainability school gardening program where they helped landscape the areas and weed the prairie and rain gardens. Another classroom example is from the Serve, Lead, and Learn class. Students in this class identify issues in the community which affect teenagers today. Students research and address these issues by creating presentations, speaking to elementary schools, making public service announcements, speaking to their peers, or helping organizations which also address their issues. Recent examples include focusing on issues such as smoking, body image, bully prevention, and raising supplies for military overseas. As this is a student-led investigation, the options are endless. An example of an individual project is the Pheasant Branch Belly Board Project. Students interested in environmental studies spoke with directors of the Pheasant Branch Conservancy to see what they could do to help improve the experience at the Conservancy. After researching projects, students learned that belly boards were needed in order to allow people to get closer to the springs and to be more connected with the nature. Students began by pulling out invasive species and then designed and built belly boards. In the process, students learned about their environment and helped to serve their community. Another individual project example is a farm tour. One MHS student who was interested in biology, agriculture, and farming used his knowledge and expertise to give farm tours to students in elementary schools. This student researched and learned about livestock and crops through his biology and science classes and shared his information with aspiring young leaders as they toured and discovered the complexities of life on a farm. Notice that all these examples have a learning piece, a service piece, and a reflection piece. If struggling with how to start a project, check out more examples on the Service Learning website, or see ideas and needs from our community on the Community Needs page of the Service Learning website, or see me, Mrs. Wood, on the second floor of the Math Wing before school or during D-Day resource.